Hello and welcome back to our social studies lessons. This is first grade map unit. We're on lesson 16 where our essential question is, what is a map? You'll need your map packet, book 2 workbook. Here's another fun trip. When you want to go somewhere that you've never been before, you can use a map. For instance, if you want to visit another favorite place of mine and my son, Kiefer's, when he was your age, the Tacoma waterfront, you could use a map. Below, or right next to it, you can see how you and your family could find your way from JBLM to the Tacoma waterfront. Let's zoom in and take a look on how to get there. From JBLM, you need to take Interstate 5 North. This drive on I-5 will last approximately 10 minutes. You will take exit 133 to Highway 705. Follow 705 and the signs for Reston Way. Stay left when Reston Way splits. If you go all the way to the end of Reston, you will find Point Reston. There is a movie theater, a small waterworks area for the kids, shops, and a lot of restaurants. Here's some pictures from Point Reston. In the top corner there, that's a play area. They have swings and things to climb on. There's a lot of shops there. There's a waterworks park with a lovely view. There's a nice view of the mountain. They also have Curry's, little bicycles that hold whole families, and you can pedal around. They also have different bikes for rent there. That's right next to the playground. What else they have there? They have a farmer's market on Sundays during the summer from 10 to 3. And there's a theater. There's just a lot of fun things down at Point Reston. Not to mention, it's just a beautiful area. They have their own market if you go up the hill. And it's a little bit like, I think it's like a mini Pike's Place market. All right. Let's get into our map packet. So we're going to work on this page together. It's called Our World. Let's start by reading the directions. Look at our map of the world and then follow the directions. There are 7 continents. Color North America red. Now I'm not going to color mine, I'm just going to put a red star on it. That's North America. That is where Washington State, where we all live, is located. Now color South America yellow. Boom, that's South America. North America is north, and South America is down south. And I'm thinking if I go a little too fast for you, you could put some of the color there with your crayons and come back later and fill it in the rest of the way. Next, color Europe green. Now, Europe is across from North America. Let's go right across that Atlantic Ocean. There, see my green star? Put a little green there. Now, you notice there's kind of a line, and it's to separate Europe from Asia. Next, we're going to color Africa orange. Africa is below Europe there. I'm going to put an orange star, put a little orange there. Color Asia purple. Look at Asia is just to the east of Europe, right there. Look at that big star I put on there. Then we're going to go down below Asia And we're going to color Australia brown. Australia looks like it's a little island there. I'm going to click right there. See my brown star? And then the last continent is Antarctica. And Antarctica is down at the southernmost part of our world. And we're going to color that black. See my black star down there? Alrighty. There are 5 oceans. I want you to color all the oceans blue. I've started with Pacific Ocean, and now I'm doing Atlantic Ocean, and then the Arctic Ocean. See on the top? Now I'm not coloring over the ocean names because those are important. I've got the Southern Ocean down below, and we go up into the Indian Ocean. So that's a lot of water, isn't it? Our world is mostly water. Next, the direction number 3 says, put a check on the biggest continent. Well, you might be able to tell what's the biggest based on the stars I made, but the largest continent is Asia. So let's put a check on there. I'm going to make mine a big red check so it stands up. See there? So maybe make your check mark a different color, not purple, so that I can see it when I'm correcting, okay? Number 4 asks us to circle the smallest continent. Well, the smallest one is right below the largest one. Australia is our smallest continent. Let's circle that. Okay, again, don't use blue. I want you to use a color that I can see. And number 5, put an X on the continents that touch the Atlantic Ocean. Whoo, there's a few of those. So let's start with South America. You see, it's right there, even by the name Atlantic Ocean. North America, Africa, and Europe. Okay, all 4 of those continents touch the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, for homework, you will need help with your homework today for social studies. I want you to color all the states that you have visited. If you were born in the United States, color that state too, but color it a different color from all the other states. So let's say you were born in Colorado. You could color Colorado yellow, but you visited California and Oregon, and of course you've been living in Washington, and those 3 you would color, say, red or blue. Okay, so the states that you visited, I want to be one color, all the same color, but the one that you were born in, if you were born in the United States, I want you to color that a different color. So many military children are born outside of the United States because having a parent or 2 in the military means that you might be going outside of our country. All right. Good luck with that homework. Have fun with it. Talk to your family. Think of all the places you've been.